There's a very interesting event which is taking place in the financial sector as we speak, and that is the first Bitcoin ETF may be approved by the SEC in the coming days. This is what is anticipated by the investors across the globe, and so this is a very high time that we talk about it, because generally in the corporate sector we do not discuss Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. One, because this is not a legal market. Second, because this is a consumer market which may not have its place in the corporate sector, but if the Bitcoin ETF is approved by SEC, this is going to change. SEC, which is the Security and Exchange Commission for United States of America, it's a governing body which is supposed to regulate the market, and its sole purpose is to protect the interest of the investors. And why should they bother about the ETF for Bitcoin? So first of all, ETF. ETF is the exchange traded fund. Simply put up, is a pooled investment security which can contain multiple asset classes. For example, it can contain gold as well as one of the shares of one of the companies of Nasdaq or S&P 500. Now, if we look at this graph by the CCData, Bitcoin outperformed every other asset class, whether it is gold, whether it is S&P 500 or Nasdaq. So the investors, the hedge fund, would be sitting out there and saying, why do not we invest into Bitcoin where the monetary value lies? And so that is where the ETF comes up. If FCC proves it, Bitcoin for the first time will become an asset class in its own. It's a digital currency which will become an asset class, and we will be seeing multiple ETFs. For example, ETF around the retail market, ETF around the energy sector or the education sector. So for example, I would go ahead and buy the ETF for my children. This could be composed of gold, shares of Uber or Amazon or Microsoft, as well as Bitcoin as an asset class. And so this is going to have multiple implications. The first of all, if ETF is approved, this is going to be the official start of the bull run for the cryptocurrency. With this 21 million finite supply and ETF going through, we are going to see tons of money is going to be poured into this market. Second, we are going to see more of the ETFs, for example, around Ethereum, layer 1 blockchains like Avalanche, Cardano, and Polkadot. And this is not going to stop there. And once again, the purpose of creation of this video is that in the corporate sector, we do not talk about it, but cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin is here to stay. Thank you so much.